Welcome to Learning Technologies 2023, where we have got a fantastic stand and we're talking to existing customers and prospects about our Access Accelerate proposition and many other different aspects that make up the software solutions for businesses at Access.
It's like amazing, like every year. It's like being at the Oscars, you have to be there, otherwise you don't exist in the industry. Energy in the room was ecstatic. Hot topics like artificial intelligence, content curation, brilliant sessions from various people in the industries.
I think it's really exciting. There's been a lot of people here, a lot of conversations that have been had, and it's great to know what the hot topics are in learning at the moment.
It's been really interesting. There's been lots of conversations around, lots of great people. The key theme seems to be AI, which is really, really interesting because obviously that's really taken off. But yeah, it's been a really great day on the stand. All of our staff have had some great conversations, so really positive.
We're looking to find out a lot more about what our customers and what our prospects are looking for in the digital learning solutions that we have. And we're also looking at our competitors, doing a bit of analysis and finding out what others are doing in the space and how we stack up against them.
It's really great to be back at Learning Technologies 2023. I was here last year and by far there's been double the amount of footfall here today. We've spoken to some amazing people, customers, potential customers. It's just been amazing. It's been really great to get back here and doing what we love to do.